Massive fire broke out at Jamalco plant in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamalco Alumina Refinery in Hazel, Clarendon is reporting that 7 employees were treated for smoke inhalation following a major fire at the plant on Sunday. The fire resulted in extensive damage to the powerhouse, which produces electricity, compressed air, and steam for the refinery operation. In a late-night statement, Jamalco said that the employees were treated at a medical facility on the property. 4 units from the Jamaica Fire Brigade supported Jamalco Fire Department to extinguish the blaze and assisted in the cooling down process. Jamalco said based on initial assessment, there has been significant damage to the powerhouse. A number of videos have been circulating online and videos which depicts the actual fire raving through the powerhouse.
I never see fire at all, so yet. Yo! Brother, everybody forget to listen for that.
Yeah, you know, because you want, like, it's a PN, they don't see you just go quiet for a while.
Yeah, man, I shut down, man.
Good. My. Go fire all up in the air.
Hey, let them move out the truck. Let them move out the truck. Go back to the Hold me and lose it. Yeah. Yeah, now we can't do nothing. That's what I want to know. And we can't do nothing now. No, I'm not doing anything.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. You know about pressure. Jamalco. Lame. Nah, man, fire this. Well, guess this I got to check up the entire Sunday. Entire Sunday.
It is reported that a flinch blew out on Bunker C oil line, which might have been the result of the fire. This has been Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.